The SVS SB-1000 Pro sealed subwoofer is a compact yet highly capable audio solution for audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts. This subwoofer packs an impressive 325W RMS and 820W peak power, offering deep and precise bass performance that fills the room without overwhelming it. Its sleek, sealed design ensures minimal distortion, providing clean, accurate bass for any setup. Despite its compact size, this SVS model offers a remarkable blend of power and finesse, making it an ideal addition to various sound systems, including both music setups and movie theaters. The SB-1000 Pro is designed to elevate your audio experience with punchy bass, clear sound, and effortless integration. Features and benefits. This subwoofer features a 12-inch high excursion driver, allowing for deep, powerful bass even at high volumes. Equipped with a 50 MHz analog devices DSP, it ensures precise frequency control and a smooth, accurate response across a wide range of frequencies, 20 Hz to 70 Hz. One standout feature is the SVS smartphone app, which provides easy access to volume control, fine-tuning, and custom presets for a personalized listening experience. The rigid, acoustically inert sealed cabinet further reduces distortion, ensuring that the sound remains clear and pure. With an output of up to 116.3 dB, this subwoofer produces room-filling bass that enhances both movies and music. Best 4. The SVS SB-1000 Pro is best suited for home theater enthusiasts looking for room-filling bass without a bulky subwoofer. Its compact size makes it ideal for users with limited space but who still want high-performance sound. Audiophiles will appreciate the precision and clarity this subwoofer delivers, whether used for movies or music. The subwoofer is versatile enough to work in various setups, from modest apartments to larger living rooms. If you're seeking a subwoofer that combines powerful output with space-conscious design, this model is an excellent choice for both music lovers and home theater systems.